What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I have another push traffic Spytool for you guys, and today we're going to look at Anstrex. Sounds interesting. So this company is a member of my AFK forum. They have done a very interesting coupon code for our specific members to get, I believe, 25% off. So if you join the AFK forum, that will be available to you. So they have a couple of unique selling points compared to other push traffic platforms. So this is the first time logging in. They gave me this account to use for the video, and I just want to look at the bidding. So apparently they also record the bidding strategies, which is the most interesting for me. So this is just the first time I logged in. I don't know what I'm actually looking at. So here you can see the ads like normal ones. You see the country flags. You see the what's it called? The traffic source. You see the image, the copy, the date last seen, and the date first seen. All right. So these are all BizUp. This is a Dutch one. This is a UK one. This is very disturbing. This is adult, sweepstakes, crypto, dating. This is also varicose veins, I would say. Yeah, so this one is funny. Oh, the title is not that funny actually. That's very disturbing. But the image was funny. So yeah, looking at this, you see the normal stuff. You see the installs, you see the sweepstakes, you see the dating, you see the BizUp, the crypto kind of shit. So you can select on days running here. You have the Alexa rank. I don't know why I would want to see an Alexa rank. It doesn't really make sense. But an ad strength, and it doesn't say how it's measured, so it's useless right now. And gravity. So gravity, we all know how that works. So adult finder, if you turn it off, I would say the adult goes off. Yeah, and it refreshes. You can search per ad network. So drop down, yeah. So they have ad cache, ad now, ad keeper, ad stera, anonymous, dead push, engageya, eva dev, or whatever it's called. Mega push MJet, Vista, Power Inbox, Propeller ads, Ref content, Rich push, and Zero POC. Based on the volume, they have quite a bit of ads in there. Based on country, well, I would assume they support every country. Yeah, the platform, the language, tracker used. That's interesting. Assorted by. So how do I see the bidding? All right, let me just say. I want the highest gravity, one of the highest gravity. So I would say, yeah, there we go. All right, so this is all Arabic. This runs in Iran. This runs in Oman, Bahrain, Arab Emirates, Sweden. So this is for a S10. I would assume this is a credit card submit. I don't know, but let's have a look. So I am curious about the bidding. Where is the bidding? So, here, bid history. So the bid history is obviously very interesting. So the bidding was at 0.067 and oh yeah, still the same. So this has been running for 2 days. Creatives. Right, I don't know what this means. It said, are you the winner? Get a Galaxy S10 here. My Swedish is not that great, obviously. Then the landing page is actually 2 landing pages. One is maybe the gift box selection. Alright. So it's blocked. Ad networks, Zero POC, devices, Geo Swedish. Alright, yeah, so I actually wanted to see the offer, but apparently that is not possible for this one. I visit the page, it's blocked. I don't know, maybe there's some little trick, but let's try and find another one. Another one. I just watched DJ Khaled's new album, and it's really nice. What the fuck is this? It's very disturbing. It's all pretty. Well, this shit is so gross, man. And these even they get a lot of traction apparently, but the ads are very pixelated. Congratulations, you won. Take your prize. Oh, I know it will be something adult content behind that, so I'm not gonna click that. I wanna. Don't I have like sweeps? Because this is casino. Are there no sweeps in the high ranks? because that's what I mainly do. Oh, what's this? Bitcoin wealth is making people rich in just 7 days. Wow. That's not that interesting. Everything here is not that interesting for me. It's like a lot of install, clean your Mac cleaner, like the Casper install. Inspire. 7 of the most, this is probably a, what's it called? Arbitrage, traffic arbitrage. Trying to make some money that way. All right, let's just pull this like that. See if we can get some more sweeps. Oh, we can actually just type in iPhone and we would get all the iPhone offers, right? That's smart. All right, so this is the iPhone. Let's just have a look at that. What's this? Bing? No, what did I do? Open. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so it's running the common gift angle. Seems to be working pretty well nowadays. Strength. What's the bidding like? Yeah, these have only all been running for like a day or 2 days. I want to see ads which have been running for quite a while. So I don't need to visit the page because I already know what it looks like. All right, days running. So we put all the gravity and then days running. I want at least 10 days. So I will remove the iPhone and then I will do at least 10 days. So we actually have a good indication of, if you're running for 10 days, it must be working, right? All right, so some DHL scams. You have one new message, you have one iPhone XS, and then DHL. So that's pretty, because they run it in, this is Angola. Yeah, they run it apparently in Angola 3 times. I don't know which country this is. Chile and Uruguay. All right, let's just, because this is the same lender as we've seen before, I think. Maybe it's blocked too. Yeah. Well, let's look at this one. All right, so you can zoom in and download the image apparently, but I just want to visit the sites, or is it all not problem? This offer is not available. Maybe the direct link for that one. Maybe the direct link. So it says native.anstrex. Have I been fucking in the wrong thing the whole time? Have I not been looking in push? Yeah, I have been looking at the push. Why would it go to native then? Okay. Yeah, so far, not too impressed. Obviously, the company is always to push their own KPIs, USPs on why they're different, etc., etc. And I thought the bidding strategy was great, but if they've not been running that long, yeah, well, then the bidding strategy is quite useless because I want to see the shift in performance. So here, it's all the same. So, I mean, you can take the same as that, but yeah, it's just not as interesting. I want to see fluctuations in traffic. I want to see fluctuations in bidding, so I know where the right point is. But these guys are going hard at it in Angola, in all the African countries maybe, Laos. Well, they're doing a lot of shit. Missed call for like maybe dating stuff. But what I want is just to see if these lenders are available, but that's not. Oh yeah, so this is direct linking. If you see this, maybe it's the straight opt-in. So yeah, what you basically get is you get the country. I don't know how the gravity works that much, but do we have like an FAQ here? Knowledge page. Let's see if that. So you have native and push into one. So this is native and this is push, which is quite good. I don't know how much this software is, but if you get native and push combined, it's pretty good. And they have a lot of guides apparently. Let's see how much it costs. I think they mentioned something like 50 a month. I don't know. Yeah, 60 a month. And they compare it with their competitors. So they have push and native in one, which is obviously a very good situation. They have more ad networks, countries, ads. The most ads, they say. Spy push, I don't know what this is because there's nothing. And then you have Complexity push, which just basically started. So I made a video on Spy push and I made a video on Complexity as well. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, the CPC bidding was my huge pro, but maybe they're still rolling it out, right? So you cannot be too judgmental just from the beginning. Um, what I wanted to see was the fluctuations in bidding. So here you actually see they don't get enough traffic. They go up, 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 down a little bit, up again, down. So they're playing around to see where the sweet spot is, which I like. I like to see those things. Rank 1, and then they move to rank 9.9. Yeah, you would really have to compare it to other ads to see actually what the data means like this, because by itself, so this is just a spin wheel, by itself it doesn't mean that much, which is sometimes quite difficult to read the data, but so far as I'm aware, this is the only push notification tracker that includes the bidding. And if you know the bidding, you can basically rip the entire campaign, do everything the same, and hopefully have the desired results. If you want to check out this Anstrex push notification, I will put a link in the description down below. Join the AFK forum, get a significant discount per month, and I'll see you guys on the next one.